Okay, here we have a piece of shit Mercedes. Beautiful, but it looks good. Good looking car. Hate to have to repair it. Here we have a 1927 Ford Model T. The original cost was $485. Little lunch bucket over here. Looks like the interior's been redone. Cool car. Here we have a Kaiser Manhattan. I have no idea what year it is. The car is awesome. This thing is awesome. Look at the rear wing windows. Look at the interior. God, you can actually spread out on that and fall asleep. Okay, here we have a 58 Thunderbird, 1958 Thunderbird with a sunroof. My God, is this car a boat? It's like a luxury liner. Look at the interior. Just magnificent. The rear seats. I like the taillights. Here we have a 1959 Ford hardtop convertible. Okay, this car is just magnificent. The problem they had with these things, sometimes when you were raising or lowering the roof, the tracks would rack and you couldn't get the top up on them. But they were cool. They're a cool looking car. No doubt about it. Here we have a Saab. I just got to get this on video. I had a friend who I used to work with who was a real geek who drove a car just like this, same color, everything. He's one of those engineering geeks. Here you go, Wayne. This car bringing back memories for you. 60 Sprite, bug-eyed. Well, I think I'm going to end this video, and I couldn't think of a better way of ending it than showing ducks on the water. There they are. Some guy in a Tesla just drove by, and I said, sorry, I didn't hear you. That's a joke.